Testing, testing, testing. Excellent. Hi, everybody. Virtual Rook here. We got the new... There's so many things to talk about, actually. Okay. Also, like, clipping the top. I don't know why. It's weird. I'm gonna fix it. It's still pretty low. The Eye of Sauron must be pleased. Okay, hello, my name is Virtual Rook. Thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to try to figure out how to make it that our bow spawns whenever it's on the ground or if it falls out of bounds. This has been haunting me, so fingers crossed that we're able to figure it out today. Real quick, thank you so much to my coffee supporters, Vega Yeen, Starry-Eyed Prince, and Cora. Really means the world to me that you guys are helping me out. And also, thank you so much to everybody who has already donated on the itch.io page for the game. Because the game's out. In fact, we could watch the trailer real quick if you want. That might be fun. We'll get to that. But yeah, if you would also like to support the channel, then please consider going to this coffee link right here. There's also a link down in the description if you're on YouTube. And, yeah, that basically sums it all up. Couple, you know, housekeeping things. The stream should look a little bit nicer, I think. Because I got a new cam link connector for my camera. So the video feed going from the camera to the computer is like way nicer looking now. And I can see it on stream, so I know that it's better, which is awesome. And also, before streaming today, I did the unboxing recording for this. Ooh, if you don't know what this is, then this probably means nothing to you. But this is the MX Ink stylus from Logitech and Meta. They built a art stylus that connects to your VR headset and is tracked by your VR headset. So expect a video coming very soon about this. I'm very excited. We might even have a couple of streams where I try this out, which I'm very, very pumped about. Yeah, very cool. That's, I think, tech-wise, everything that I've got to show right now. I've got my sunflower seeds. I'm ready to go. Let's really quickly. So we'll come over to this. Okay. And then I'm going to pause my music, and I'm going to hide my bookmarks because I don't like to show them. And we're going to come into here. And I'm going to force you all to watch my trailer. Because I'm super proud of it. Hey, Chipko! A bit quiet. Am I? I just wasn't talking very much. Are you sure that your audio is correct right now? No, it says that I'm good. Let me check. I mean, I guess it could. I was going to have it somewhere else, but maybe because I don't have it actually attached to me. Let's see if that is a little bit better. Fingers crossed. Give me a second. I'm waiting for the stream to catch up so I can actually see. I know it's better. And I hate the quality of my stream. Let me just take a look. Okay. I guess it's not too bad. Anyway, all right. So let's go ahead and watch the trailer for the new game, shall we? Super proud of it. Oh, I forgot to turn off the VLC audio. Sorry. Anyway, yeah. God, it's been a long ass journey, but I'm very, very proud of it, and I'm really extremely thankful to everybody who has downloaded the game. It means the world to me. But let's get into actually getting this set up, hopefully, because it's a pretty okay trailer. I think there are things that I don't love about it, but like literally the day that I published the game, I was like, I just need to get this done. Like, I kind of don't care what it looks like because I'm not trying to sell it. Like, I want the itch page to look decent, and that's like the extent of my care. Anyway, all right. I think I actually did build something last time that I was messing around with this. I'm just trying to remember what. Maybe I didn't. Here, wait. Yeah, I also download the minimal Godot like overlay, and it looks so much cleaner now. Like, it just looks nicer. It's kind of my jam. Let's see. I don't think that this is the edited version. I think I must have deleted the edits that I did before. I'm going to real quick give it a go and check and make sure that it's running. Yeah, I'm working on a new video for the MX ink pen, which again, I have right here. I'm very excited to give it a try. So excited. Actually, I wonder if I turn on my headset, will I be able to see it? I don't know if I have to like hook it up. Huh? Okay. I must have turned off my audio. I don't know. It also might not be fully charged yet. Is it on? New World is finished. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm gonna play that later on today, so that's important. No, it's true. It's a great trailer. I'm so excited. And I think I came up with the idea for our next game. And I'm really terrified, but also pumped. Because I want to do something that's a little bit more story-driven. And I think I came up with a really good idea for that. It's going to be so cool. I can't wait to show you. If we are able to finish this project today, quickly, which nothing in fixing bugs is ever quick, so I don't have high hopes. But if we do, then we're going to start concepting the next game today. Yeah, okay. So far, working as intended. Yep, okay. Everything's working fine. I also just, the bow feels so good. I'm really, really proud of how the bow and arrow system turned out. Oh, those don't have any collision, which is fine. Nobody should be shooting up there anyways. Oh, wait. Maybe I did actually set this up. I did! Okay, wait. We might be good then. I mean, that's not good though. See, that's why it needs to be, we need to fix this. I don't think this is a good way of doing it, is the thing. So, yeah. Game development's so much fun. You should all be making game stuff. Ah, I just finding out about Fluffless. Fluffless was pretty good. Yeah, that was, one of my game jams that I worked on with a team, and we won, actually, which is awesome. That was a winning game design, which is very exciting. Okay, so the way that I'm doing this right now is we go into the bow. Somewhere in here there's a code. I'm trying to remember where. Did I put it inside of this? I might have put it at the bottom of this. It's got to be in here somewhere. I set... Yeah, it was on release. So the question is where? See, I thought I'd just put it at the bottom, but I guess it doesn't. Right? Am I crazy? Is it in the bow fire code? Oh, I guess it's in the bow fire code. No, it's not in there either. Wait a second. Yeah, it's got to be inside of this. It's just gotta. Oh, it's in game logic. Interesting. Yeah, on bow 2 dropped. So all this is doing is as soon as we drop the bow, it puts it back at its starting position. And that is not what I want. I want it to delete the bow whenever the bow touches the ground. So I need to look up how one might go about doing that. Let's see. Yeah. Respawn dropped object. I'm gonna check on if somebody's done this in Unity. Okay. I'm gonna follow this person's like tutorial to a T. Come here. And we'll go ahead and disconnect. And then delete this. Come up here. I guess this doesn't necessarily matter. But what I'm gonna do. So he has a tower of slimes. I need my bow to come back. So we're going to click it, Control A, and then he was saying spatial node. SPAT. I don't think that's a thing. I have no idea what a spatial node is. How old is this? 4 years ago. Okay, they might have changed the name of this. I'm going to assume that it's just a node 3D. And we'll call it spawner. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now we'll go to spawner and we'll add a script. Okay. First things first, go variable bow equals preload.
And we're going to preload the bow, which should be bow edited. Can I type in bow? I can. I think. Bow edited. There it is. Okay. Go ahead and get rid of all this. Func. Destroy. Give it a breathing room. Okay. So instead of pass, we'll do if self.getChild count. Yeah. And then we will check to see if it is 0. Self.getChild (0), so the only child that it has, dot queue_free. Awesome. And then down here, make a variable called bow instance equals bow dot instantiate okay, and come here, do self dot add child bow instance. Save. And then right here, we'll do func process delta if, and for right now, we'll just do the input system. Input dot is action pressed bar. Okay. Destroy. And then respawn. All right. That should do it. Let's see if that do it. Does that do it? This is exactly why I started putting in my earbuds instead of my headphones. Because as much as I love my headphones, it sucks having to take them off constantly while like playtesting for VR. So I might just switch back over to my, there we go, headphones. So now if I come into the game, hopefully everything works. It does not. Bow start position. Right. I think we just delete these. Yeah, this is in game logic. We don't need these anymore. Scene. Disable scenes. Okay. And then restart. Much better. Okay. Sweet. Let's go over to our bow. pick it up, fire an arrow, awesome, drop it on the ground, and then hit R. Nothing happens if we hit R. Why? Why would nothing happen when we hit R? So we'll stop that. If input dot is action just pressed, maybe it's not just pressed. Maybe I did the wrong one. No, it's if action just pressed, R. Then destroy and respawn. So I guess let's do print. Because it might just be that because of the way we have the action mapping set up, maybe it has to be a button on the control, like on my VR controller, which is fine if that's the case. Pressed. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. Control save. Play. Alt tab. That's not what I meant to do. Why are you yelling? What is... Input action R doesn't exist. Okay, wow, it just keeps going. Let's look at our inputs then. Where is... Action maps? So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's this one. So we'll copy that, and I think we just plug it into this, right? Hit play. Oh. The input action AX button doesn't exist. But it do. It real do. Unless I grabbed the wrong... I thought that this was the side that you're supposed to grab from. Sometimes I feel dumb. But only sometimes. So wait a second. If I go into my XR origin and then go to what, like, I think even left hand. Let's just see. Name of the grip action and open XR action map. Maybe. The other question is, like, yelling is what I say to... Why are you yelling? Yeah. Whenever the debug starts getting uppity, I'm like, what's going on? Talk to me. I'm trying to see which part of this is actually checking to see what button they're pressing. Hit grip threshold. Damn, I have no idea. I mean, this doesn't necessarily matter right now. You know? Okay, wait. We have signals. Okay, we have signals. That's good. I feel like the problem, though, is that I can't launch these out. Like, yeah, I can't access them from here. I would have to do a signal that fires to world. Damn it. Whatever. All right. It's not important. Let's just, I'm going to search real quick to see if there's a way to get the position of a child. Things that sound weird outside of context of being a game developer. Get child's location? A position of a child of a node. Okay. Let's maybe try that. Somewhere there's a respawn spawner. There we go. Okay. Get underscore parent dot get node bow. Edited, I guess. It's because it just wants to be bow 2. I don't know why I put an E there. Bow 2. Okay. Dot position. And we're just going to say child position. Equals variable. And then real quick, we're just going to print. No. Print child position. Okay. I'm gonna hit play. We're gonna see if that crashes. Well, it didn't crash. That's good. Gotta make my headset dance a little bit to make sure it doesn't turn off. And then I'm still not seeing an output. Okay. It's not printing anything. Okay. And then just to make sure that it's actually tracking the child, it has to be way too high, but that's okay. I'm gonna grab the bow, and I'm gonna drop it on the ground. Yay! Okay. Perfect. And the ground is like at -1, it looks like. So now you can stop. Couple things. So at its start position and stuff. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. So it starts at like 0. Okay. Because that's where it spawns. That's like its local position. So now what I should be able to do is, well, for one, let's do position.y. And then hit play again. Okay, excellent. So now, I think we do Control K. To make sure that I don't break anything, I'm just gonna do that. And then instead of this, we are going to do if child position is less than negative 0.5. Because it was -1, right? On the ground it was -1, so we could probably even go as far as if it's less than like 0.9, then print pressed. And instead of print press, print on the ground. Control save. Hit play. So it should not say on the ground. Okay, it doesn't. And then if I come over here and I grab my headset. I hope everybody had a good holiday. I mean, I guess the holidays aren't over, huh? We're still trekking. Okay, we grab it and we drop it on the ground. And now it should say on the ground. Does it say on the ground? It says on the ground. Perfect. Oh, daddy likey. Okay, now for the final countdown. So we're gonna go ahead and comment this out, and we will also comment this out, so we don't need them anymore. And instead, we'll do this. Cool? Capiche? Now it should be on the table, but the second that it falls onto the ground, come back to me. Come back to me, hands. I'm begging you. Come back to me. Okay, there we go. The second that it touches the ground, it should respawn. Did it crash? Invalid access to property or key position on a base object of type null instance. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Interesting. Well, but won't it just get it again? How do I make sure that it... Okay. Instead of no, we have to do it every frame. Okay, we're close. Hello, Gemfruit. I guess you were here a while ago, and I'm only just now talking. Sorry about that. I've been lost in the sauce, if you will. Okay, I think we have everything we need here. I just need to figure out, like, the layout of it. Because we only want it to get this if... Yeah. We're just going to copy this. And then do this. Wait, where are we mad? I feel like this is also going to break something, but... So now... if there's at least one child in the tree, which at the start of the game there is, then we're going to... Does that make sense? Check the child's location. If the child's location goes too low onto the ground, then we are going to destroy the child and then respawn it. Now the problem is whenever we destroy it, are we going to finish out this line, or does the if statement immediately stop because there's no longer a child? Let's find out. Kind of feels like we just made a circular thing, which is never good, but we're gonna find out. Skibbity ding dong. Oh, skibbity ding dong. Hands. Okay. Grab our bow. We're gonna drop on the ground. Okay, it worked though. It did work because the bow did respawn. But for a split second there, yeah, it's still getting mad about that. So I think what I need is that whenever we destroy, I think we need to wait for a second and then get the child position. Right? Here, wait. So we'll go ahead and get rid of you. So right now we have it at the top. What happens if we put it down below? I guess we can't. If it's lower than this, then it can't get the child position until later. So the first time it would go through the code, it wouldn't know what the child position is to start. What is the answer? What is it? What do we want from this control tab? No. I swear there's a way to, like, drop one tab on each of these, but okay. Maybe if we make a function? Tear this out of it. Well, but instead we call child position here. Maybe we return this value? How do you return? Why am I forgetting how to return? Godot, Godot. Return. Function, my function, variable. Okay, return I. So if we do return child position, think, brain, think. Think harder. We're so close though, which is nice. Then it wouldn't know, like, because my other idea was no, it's still upset about that. Okay. what if we declare the child position and then just update it? Like, here, wait. Yeah, huh? I forget which side this goes on. Is it like that? It's like that. Okay. And then let's just get rid of child position altogether. Okay. And now... Copy, paste, and then instead of this being in here, let's do a fonk ready. Yeah, I think that makes sense to me. So at the very, very beginning, it's just 0, right? And then whenever we start, we check to see what the child position is at the start. So we get that number and we tie that into child position. Then down here, if the child position is less than -0.9, then we destroy it and we respawn it. But if it's not at like that number, then we do the else, which is child position equals get parent, get node, blah, 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 blah. Please work. Coding's fun because it's kind of like a really big puzzle. I like doing puzzles. I think puzzles are fun. Puzzles are actually really, really good for your brain. Good brain. Okay, please don't code. Hey, okay. It didn't break. Uh-oh. And I can no longer grab the bow. Huh. Well, that's a completely different problem. Why can I no longer grab the bow? Hello? Why can I no longer grab the bow? That's not good. Alt tab, debug, errors, on break, is declared but never explicitly used in the class. Parameter delta is never used. I don't care. Process picking, object picking can't be used when none of these are helpful to me. 14 errors. Can I see them? Is it? No, I don't think that makes sense, because this is like inside of its own thing. Oh, I'm spawning in the wrong thing, I think. Because this... Wait a second. No. No. Yeah. Correct. The only thing I can assume is that it's because these are attached to things. And so whenever we destroy it and then respawn it, it detaches those things? Maybe? Can I just do this? Okay. No, that can't be the right thing. Oh, we're so close. At least it's respawning. That part's good. But now we have to figure out why. Doing it the way that we're currently doing it is breaking it. I feel... Sorry. I kind of feel like it has to be the preload system. Here, I'm gonna go and grab another drink because I need to stay hydrated. So I will be right back. Winter's always the worst because, like, it just can't decide if it wants to be cold or hot in my office. I could turn on my heater. That is an option. But I feel like during this part of the day, it's just like, I don't know. This is that weird in between when the sun starts going down and it starts getting cold. I hate it. All right, let's do this. I think I figured it out, maybe. At the very least, I thought more about it. I think instead of preloading, let's instead it's a packed scene. Instead of equals, we'll do... Okay. And now, whenever I click on spawner and go to inspector, we have the bow. So we'll grab bow edited and drop that in there instead. Control save, and let's try that. Skibbity ding dong. Whoa, skibbity ding dong. I also got water, which I desperately needed. Play. Okay. And now we'll just go over and we'll grab our bow and then we will drop it on the ground and it'll respawn and then we'll grab our bow. No, we will not. Damn it. Why is it no longer able to be picked up? Function destroy, okay. I'm just trying to think, like, why does this break it, you know? The parameter delta is never used, that's fine. I genuinely can't think of why that would break it. The only thing I can assume is that this must be grabbing signals. Or not signals, but this has to be like breaking the pickupable for some reason. Let me consult the great Godot XR gods. Bounds, respawns. Oh, programming. You're such a jerk. Yeah, I'm not sure. My friend Aaron is just sending me like a bunch of TikToks right now. My phone keeps on blowing up. Thanks, Aaron. I like reading or watching them. And it also kind of makes me wonder, like, here, wait. I'm gonna try something, I think, real quick. We'll come back in here, and we're gonna grab this, okay? And we're going to make it that on ready, we make a bow. And I'm going to delete the bow. And we're gonna hit play. Okay, doesn't like that. On a base object of type null instance. Travasation. How do we make it wait again? Okay. Restart. Oh, wait, it's not happy. That's fine. Okay, stop. Control save. Now play. So get node is looking for that. So instead of spawner bow 2, what if we made it spawner bow edited? It's probably cap sensitive, I would guess. No, it's still mad about that. Even though if I took this and put it into spawner, oh, it comes up as bow. That's weird. Okay, well, let's try that then. Let's make sure one more time. Uppercase B. Hit play. Okay. Spawn the bow in. But can I grab it? Exit game for a second. Hit play. Okay. I still feel like this is like a bad way to do it, but okay, I can grab it. I drop it. And I can't grab it anymore. Why would that be? It's spawning the same object. Like, this is the exact same object. I'm pretty sure that's like queue free is doing what I think it's doing. It's going to be deleted at the end of the current frame. When deleted, all of its children are deleted as well. That might be the problem. And all references to the node and its children become invalid. Unlike with object.free, the node is not deleted instantly and it can still be accessed before deletion. It is also safe to call queue_free multiple times. Use object.isQueueFree for deletion to check if the node will be deleted at the end of the frame. The node will only be freed after all their deferred calls are finished. Using this method is not always the same as calling object.free. With its children are not deleted. To delete a node, see queue_free. Removes a child node. The node, along with its children, are not deleted. To delete a node, see queue_free. Note, when this node is inside the tree, this method sets the owner of the removed node or its descendants to null. If the owner is no longer an ancestor, see is ancestor of. Node from the group. What about object free? No, not object. I want object free. Deletes the object from memory. Pre-existing references to the object become invalid, and any attempt to access them will result in a runtime error. Checking the reference with global scope. Is that what we want? I'm so worried that this is going to break everything. Because I want to get rid of it, but I don't want it to completely break the scene, which seems to be what's happening. Because it's spawning it in fine. Yeah, because we're doing the same thing that we're doing down there up here. So how do I keep it intact but delete it? Like, there's a part of my brain that thinks that it's object free, but object free almost seems to invalid. Any attempt to access them will result in a runtime error. Godot queue free, but keep children intact. As a child and its children, but doesn't delete them. So you might as well use queue free, which is an outright deletion of the node. There must be some reason for it, but it's beyond my perception. Remove children as well. I also do not understand the difference. Queue free and remove child are some of the common methods you need to know when beginning with Godot. And they do two specific things. They are both mentioned in tutorials as well as in the doc. Essentially a shortcut for destroying a node safely at the end of the frame. Also removes it from the tree. Does not happen immediately to avoid some tricky situations that would otherwise cause the game to crash. For example, your script receives a message, you destroyed the node, but what if the code that called your script in the first place might have been the node itself, or using that node somewhere up the call hierarchy? And if you destroy it immediately, the caller will access a garbage memory. So to keep things simple, it's good practice to use queue free for nodes in the tree. Queue stands for putting a node in a list of things to delete when the game finishes. I wonder if I can make an instance. Maybe that's the issue. Because like I said, I think that the problem is that it's... Here, wait. Also reconnect the signal at the bottom of your function respawn. Can't you just have the teleport back instead of queue free? I tried that, but it still had So yeah, this person's saying that maybe instead of destroying it, as we currently do, instead we should just move it back into position. Which makes me think maybe we need to clear the velocity of it. Or wait for it to, like, stop moving. So instead of respawning it, let's go ahead and just hide this for a second. Okay. Let's call this child vertical position. Or child, yeah. Then real quick, let's come up here, Control copy, enter V, and we're just going to call this like position. Variable child position vertical equals 0.0. Okay, because then this way on ready we can do get parent get node dot position. Okay, and then down here child position vertical is less than that, then we can set set parent. Can you not set? Get. Effectively, we want this, right? Equals. Child position. Maybe we even call this like child position start. I need to turn on music. No. Because we're no longer deleting it. So at the very beginning, we're just going to have the bow instance made, right? And then we're going to get its starting position. Mm-hmm. Hmm. It makes my brain hurt. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna hit play. Well, it didn't immediately crash, so that's a good sign. Okay. Grab the bow, drop it. Okay, grab the bow. Oh. Grab the bow. Grab the bow. Hmm. Oh, I don't care about that. We grab, we drop, it respawns, we grab. We can no longer move it. It is stuck. Hmm. Here, real quick, just to make sure. Let's comment that out. And then try again. So we're not going to worry about the velocity for a second. Just for the sake of testing. Grab, drop, respawns, grab. It's locking the position. Why would it be locking the position? Because it should do this once. I mean, that didn't crash. Oh, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Yeah, grab, drop, crash. Okay. And it's gonna be like, well, yeah, because location isn't a thing. Invalid assignment of property or key location with value of type vector 3. I don't think that it's just a situation of like, it needs to be higher, maybe? Like maybe it's stuck inside of the ground? Or table, in this case. Yeah, okay. Grab, drop, respawns. And then is stuck. And can no longer be moved properly. That's kind of cool looking though, just watching it do that. I don't know, that's enjoyable to me. What? I'm confused. I clicked position, but it's not giving me position. don't know if that's gonna work or not. So now I'm literally just resetting it back to 0. And for some reason that breaks our ability to grab. Like, I can't move it. I can rotate it now, but that's it. Ah! I don't understand. Why? Why you do this? Okay. Like, it should do that once. And then be good. But I feel like it just keeps doing it, if that makes sense. We crashed Godot. Hey, Kojak. Yeah, thank you again. I appreciate it. I'm having my ass kicked, though, by this project. Okay, let's try it again. Because it should only be doing it once, which is why I'm confused. Grab the bow, we drop the bow. Oh. Well, that time it didn't work at all. I'm dying. Everything's the worst. What's going on? Error. Huh? Which means this probably fired, it just didn't do anything. I'm so confused. No. We've talked about this, Gojek. I do not believe in AI at all. AI can suck a huge bag of dicks. I shan't do that. Okay. And then down here. Bow position equals bow position start. No, child, sorry. Position start. And just to make sure, I'm also going to print respawn. Okay. I know some people use it, but I don't believe in using it. It's so annoying that sometimes Steam VR like sees the controllers whenever you put the headset on and then like forgets that it sees them and they just disappear again. Okay, grab, drop, and it respawns, but now it's fucked. But my question is it like constantly firing? It is constantly firing. Okay, so that actually gives us an answer as to why this is happening. Kind of. This became true. Here, let's also really quickly print string and get the child position. No, the bow dot position. Control save. Okay. So you've chosen death. I've chosen to learn is what I've chosen. Learning takes patience and practice. Okay, we grab, we drop, it respawns, and now it's there. Okay. At least I'm pretty certain that I know what's going on, though. Okay, so we'll stop. Game starts. The bow is at 0.16. Okay. We scroll down, do. 0.16. Oh, this is also strange. Oh, it's not that strange. So even though we move the bow's position back to the start, it doesn't think it's there. I'm not having a mental breakdown, per se. It's also strange because .16 is less than this. Or sorry, is more than that. So this shouldn't be firing at all. Where's the maid outfit? Oh, I actually got it. I'm going to set up a, we're going to figure out a day. I think it might be this Friday. I was actually going to pose that in the Discord. Thank you for reminding me. What is Friday? Friday is going to be the 3rd. There we go. And could you read the chat more often? I feel like I read it often enough. It's hard because a lot of the times I have other things that pop up on this screen. I probably need a different screen. Like I need a 3rd monitor. So that way I can actually see chat and still be able to do stuff on this monitor. String. It will be late. I'll be able to watch the stream. I'm going to try to go really, really long on stream for Friday. I'll try to make it one of the bigger streams. I mean, it's only fair that I stream for a while on that day since, you know, it's like everybody worked hard to get me to that goal. Oh. Or even better yet, like, let's do bow. Pow. Bow dot position. Control save. Okay. Huh. And I guess I can real quick turn off these ones because clearly that's not firing properly. But it should literally like hit the ground and then immediately change its position to whatever the starting position number was. Scoop doop doop boop boop. I might be calling it today here soon though, even if we don't solve it. Okay. It does the weird thing. We stop. Okay. We'll go to the top. Okay. It starts at 0.8. 0.08. Okay. Uh-huh. .03. So this is it on the table. Then we grab it. It goes up to 0.08. And then we drop it at some point. There we go. Then we drop it. It hits negative. And then I'm guessing like, so we hit negative. It stays there for a couple of frames. But then it pops back up to 0.1. Okay. But for some reason, child position keeps on firing. never stops. By the way, I think you can delete the SoundCloud because I don't remember the password. And could put a little box on the stream scene saying music provided by Kojak or something. Okay. Sure. I will swap that out then. So yeah, it definitely puts it back at the right spot, but for some reason, child position vertical if child position vertical is less than -0.9, oh, you know what it might be? We're only checking this at the very start. I think I see where I've gone wrong. This never updates again. So it does this. But we never actually, yeah, okay. I think I see what's going on. I think. We're constantly firing this, but then we interrupt it and do this. And because it was in the negatives whenever it fired. Yeah, okay. I don't think we want this to be an else. I think we just want to do it. Constantly. I might have figured it out. Let's go. Maybe. Maybe we figured it out. Okay. Oh, I hope so, because I want to be done streaming for today. It's been a low numbers day, and I've been toying with this problem for so long. Okay, so we're on the table. We drop. It respawns on the table. We grab. We drop. It respawns on the table. Yes. Oh no, the grab doesn't work anymore though. Ugh. Okay, here, wait. Let's exit game. Can I fire at the beginning though? It's just weird because I haven't changed anything inside of the bow. You know? Grab. Yeah, no, we cannot grab anymore. Why can we no longer grab? That's very frustrating. Thanks very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that you made music for me. That's super cool. Let's grab bow edited. Let's just put it in the scene. Caw. All of the caw. Okay. See if this one's also broken. Hello? Play. Okay. This one up. Okay, at some point, I did something that upset the grab gods. I don't know when, and I don't know how, but I did. So, solve one problem, break another. Is the way. Let me just make sure real quick. That bow not edited isn't the correct bow. The good news is that this is a really easy fix if that is in fact the problem. Okay. Okay, well I can grab this one. So that's something. But it's still not the right bow. Yeah, so something broke in the bow. Why did something break in the bow? So I have a pretty easy way, I think, of fixing this. I hope. Grab all of you. Copy. And just open up a doc. Blank doc. Paste. Okay. Come back into here. Close this. Don't save. Go into our GitHub. Get rid of all of our changes. Okay, close. Oh, here, real quick. Don't close. Bring it back up. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it back up. Patch origin. Okay. Discard all changes. Awesome. Open this back up. Hydrate. Okay. I've done it. I've hydrated. Yeah, I don't have any sound in. Like, I don't have any headphones on right now. All right. Let me resolve that. I actually forgot that I was even listening to music. There we go, now I can hear. Okay. There's a method to my madness, I swear. So we're back at this point, right? Put on the headset. We hit play. Okay. We check and make sure that the bow is actually working. It is. Okay. This music's intense. Okay, we hit stop. Come back to here. We Control A. We do a Node 3D. Okay, we do the old switcheroo. We call this bow. And we call this spawn. We make a script on spawn. Worth the money. It doesn't. What do you mean? It doesn't cost you money. And we just grab all of this. Replace this. Wait, what? Oh, I see. I might just delete this. In fact, we're gonna just get rid of like all the stuff that doesn't really need to be in here anymore, like the print. Okay. Okay, I think everybody else is happy. I'm at the points. I wish it was money. Okay, let's try that. That should work. We've changed nothing. We've literally just kind of reset this back. Oh, we have 4% battery left on the headset. Okay. Quick. Quick, quick, quick. Okay. We grab the bow. We drop the bow. We grab the bow. We drop the bow. We grab the bow. We fire an arrow. We drop the bow. We grab the bow. Make sure real quick. Okay, well, that wasn't too bad. My thing is like, I'm trying to... I'm trying to decide whether or not we actually have to... Yeah, no, it stops its velocity quick enough. I think we're okay. And we can hit hard. Ah. I'm so bad at my own game. Ah. $24. Not great, but I've certainly done worse. Okay, I think we did it though. Okay, yeah, I think we're good. Yay! It's solved! We've done it! Huh. For some reason... My streamer bot stopped. And I don't know why. Weird. Okay, well, for right now, it's fine. We're just going to... There we go. All right. That is going to be everything, I think, for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Join me this Friday for the maid stream, so that should be super duper fun. And what else do I have to say right now? I guess, like, kind of nothing, huh? No, I think that basically covers it. I will update to version 1.1 in the game files on itch.io, so make sure you grab that. And yeah, that's everything. Okay, I love you all so much. Thank you, Kojak, for joining me today. Thank you again for the music, and I will talk to you all soon. Okay, bye. Or at least maybe bye. Yep. Okay, bye.